Good morning. I'm going to be doing some work in my garden today. And almost 1 year ago today, I uploaded a video on this cultivator hand tool I made. Now it has over 126,000 views, making it my most popular video. This tool is made from an old potato fork, some steel tubing, a 4x4 piece of hardwood cut for a handle, and it's all pinned together so it can never come apart. It's a simple tool meant to cultivate and loosen soil to make it suitable for planting without the damage a rototiller can cause. My tiller is being repaired right now, so I'm going to cultivate my garden by hand. Planting time is about a week away, and our last frost date is after May long weekend. And it's actually only about 4 degrees Celsius right now. The potato fork is angled so it'll stay deep while it's being pulled, and I simply plunge it into the ground and give it a good pull. I go over an area a few times to make sure that the soil is nicely loosened up. And I also wanted to mention that you can expect a few gardening videos from my channel this summer.